Let me show you a website that's gonna make you earn hundreds of dollars in the first month and in the next coming months, thousands of dollars. No BS, you're gonna save a ton of money with this website. So it's called Join Secret, and basically what it does, it lets you grab really big savings that they have access to. So by joining their membership, you get access to these savings. Have I used this in the past? Yes. Like I said, this is not BS, and I've saved thousands of dollars. So let's go check this out right now. All right, let's dive right into this one. It's called Secret, and if you want to check it out, link will be provided in the description. And the first thing that you're going to be asking yourself is, how the hell are we able to save that amount of money with Secret? Well, first of all, Secret has a huge database of members who join this Secret plan, and they get access to these deals. So they reach out to big name brands to ask for extra discounts so we can take advantage of it. Now, why would big brands actually use this, like TikTok, ClickFunnels, Amazon, Zoho, Notion, Airtable, etc.? Why would they even budge to something like this? Well, because they want you to use their product. Take, for example, Notion. You get 6 months free on the Plus plan with unlimited AI. You save up to $6,000 with this deal alone, okay, in 6 months. Now, like I said, why would they want to do this? Well, because they want you to use it, they want you to fall in love with it, and once you actually use it with the features that they provide on the Plus plan for this one, for example, you'll stick with it. Okay, so after 6 months, you'll love it so much that it's making you money in your business that you'll keep paying month to month or the yearly plan normally. Take, for example, Stripe. I love the Stripe deal. You earn $500, you save $500 of commissions when you use this. Okay, now all of this, you get it by joining the Secret plan. Now, whatever you pay for this, it's gonna be paid back tenfold and even more. So, like I said, let's go check out this plan really quickly. The premium plan, or to get access to all these deals, it's this right here. Here it is, $48,000 of savings, $449 a year. So that's the plan that it's on right now. So it's $150, and like I said, with the first deal that you're gonna use, you're gonna earn way more than that back. Okay, so it's a total deal saver. So let's check some of these out. The ones I've used personally is Notion, which is a great deal. Airtable, you save $1,000 of credits in 1 year, so it's up to $1,000 of savings. So I've already used this one, and I'm about to finish off. And since I use Airtable and I already have my database going on over there, I'm gonna stick with it. Maybe I'll lower the plan. I won't stick to the higher plan that I'm with this credits, but I'll keep using it. There's Typeform, there's Google Cloud, for example, save up to $2,000 with Google Cloud. If you're already using this one, you can still use it. Now, some of the other deals that you find somewhere else, there's a discount, there's a coupon, etc. But if you are already using the service, they'll say, nah, you can't use that discount, you can't use that coupon. But with some of these, paying customers are accepted. So if you are using Google Cloud right now, and you're already paying bills of $200, $500 a month, just by redeeming this, you'll save more than what you're gonna pay for a year of Secret. Okay, Google Workspace 20% off on the standard plus or the plus plan. The Stripe, which I love because you get the $500 back in commissions. Well, they won't charge you those $500, so it's pretty cool because you'll get your amount that you charge. For example, if I send an invoice for $1,000, I'll get $1,000. So it's not gonna be deducted 3.5%, 5%, or whatever from that amount. I'll get the whole amount until I reach the $500. Okay, so it's pretty cool, right? There's Slack, there's Breville, there's Microsoft for startups, Zendesk, DigitalOcean for BPSs, Intercom, Webflow. So 1 year of Intercom on the support or engage plan. So save up to $3,108. So it's like thousands of dollars what you save. Okay, Make, super popular. There's which one is on Shopify, 2 months free on all the plans. So basically, if you're already planning on using Shopify, well, start off with 2 months free instead of paying from the start. Okay, so Hotjar, also a popular one. Fiverr Business, free for 1 year plus 20% off the first purchase. So if you make the first purchase of $1,000, you're gonna save $100 right from the start. Okay, Plant Busters, Freshdesk, etc. All these, there's so many. Okay, and there's almost 300 deals as of today. So as of this video, they keep adding more, and some of these get removed. So they add and remove, but they add more than what they remove. Okay, there's some free deals here. You can select by project management, by data, by customer, by developing, marketing, etc. So if I want to get this Airtable deal, so I want to redeem this. Okay, I'll just click on it, and I'll have to fill out a simple form, and I'm gonna have to wait a bit, and they'll apply it to me. Take for example Airtable. So if I want to apply for this one for the 1,000 credits for 1 year, I'll apply. And in this case, it's just asking for my business link just to see if I'm eligible for this particular deal. Okay, but there's a second deal inside of Airtable. So if you jump into these, there'll be more deals in some of them. There's a premium deal for this one, so it's 500 bucks in credits. So instead of 1,000, so I need to see if I'm eligible. I'll get the deal. There we go. I'm gonna get this deal, and I'll fill out this form to see if I'm eligible again for this one. So some of these are harder to get, and some of them are easier. But basically, I don't find that it's hard to get any of these deals. I mean, when I did my testing for Notion, Airtable, Stripe, DigitalOcean, so all these, I didn't have any issues. Super easy to get the deals for these. Oh, also ClickUp. I got ClickUp also. So you get all these deals super easily. So even if you get most of these or some of these, you'll earn your money back right away. So like I said, if you want to check out the deal, link will be provided in the description to get Secret. Well, that's a wrap for Secret. Don't forget, you're going to save thousands of dollars in the coming months with this deal. So don't miss out on it.